Welcome back to our channel today. We are discuss about acrylic nail designs with gel polish. Acrylic nails have been a staple in the world of nail art for decades, offering durability and flexibility for creative designs. When paired with gel polish, these acrylic nails can achieve stunning and long-lasting looks. Here are 7 acrylic nail designs with gel polish that are currently trending. 1. Ombre Bliss. Ombre nails are a timeless favorite, and when combined with acrylic and gel polish, they become even more striking. Start with a neutral base color and blend it seamlessly into a vibrant hue at the tips. The transition creates a beautiful gradient effect that can be customized with any color combination to suit your style. 2. Marble Magic. Marble nails never fail to impress, and with acrylic and gel polish, achieving this sophisticated look is easier than ever. Use a base color that mimics natural marble, then swirl complementary gel polish shades on top to create the intricate veining characteristic of marble. The result is a chic and luxurious manicure that adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. 3. Glitter Glam. For those who love a bit of sparkle, glitter acrylic nails with gel polish are the perfect choice. Start with a clear or colored acrylic base and add layers of glitter gel polish for maximum shine. Whether you prefer a subtle shimmer or full-on sparkle, this design is sure to catch the light and turn heads wherever you go. 4. French Twist. Give the classic French manicure a modern twist with acrylic nails and gel polish. Instead of the traditional white tips, opt for bold colors or metallic shades for a fresh take on this timeless look. You can also play with different shapes and angles to customize your French manicure and make it uniquely yours. 5. Geometric Glamour. Geometric designs are all the rage in nail art, and acrylic nails provide the perfect canvas for creating intricate shapes and patterns. Use gel polish to paint geometric accents such as triangles, squares, or lines on top of a solid acrylic base for a sleek and modern manicure. Experiment with different color combinations and arrangements to achieve a truly eye-catching design. 6. Floral Fantasy. Embrace your inner flower child with acrylic nails adorned with floral designs created using gel polish. Whether you prefer delicate petals or bold blooms, there are endless possibilities for incorporating flowers into your manicure. Add some dimension with 3D embellishments like rhinestones or studs for an extra touch of glam. 7. Abstract Art. Let your creativity run wild with abstract acrylic nail designs enhanced by gel polish. Experiment with bold colors, textures, and shapes to create a one-of-a-kind manicure that doubles as a work of art. Whether you opt for splatter paint effects, geometric patterns, or freehand designs, the key is to have fun and express yourself through your nails. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nail tutorials, tips, and trends. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep those nails looking flawless. Bye for now.